So, since I am going to brunch today, I'm just going to be doing my hair early and getting ready early because I got some other stuff that I need to be doing. And I thought today would be a good day to do a lock bob tutorial. So, just for a list of things that you're going to need some rubber band, gel for them edges, a little bit of lock jewelry, some scalp oil, and a little bit of twisting gel. Okay, so here we go.
First thing first, we gotta take care of our scalp. It's the foundation of the lock game. So grab that jojoba oil, coconut oil, or argan oil, whatever floats your boat, and apply it directly to your scalp in small sections. Don't sleep on the importance of a strong scalp game. Be sure to massage it in, nice and gentle, with your fingertips to stimulate those hair follicles. Once you got your scalp on lock, your locks will thank you with some serious shine. If you're serious about your locks, you gotta get your hands on some lock-in twisting gel, for real, for real. This gel is perfect for keeping your roots looking fresh. It gives you a firm hold with no buildup. Use your fingers to twist each section in a clockwise direction. Pay special attention to the front of your locks, making sure the roots are flat. Start from the base and work your way down to the end, twisting tightly as you go. Keep those twists consistent in size and shape so your lock bob will come out looking on point. Then take 2 fingers and fold your lock twist in half, twisting it around itself, forming a small loop at the bottom. Then slide the loop downward until it forms a small ball at the end of your lock twist. Grab a small black rubber band and secure it in place. Sometimes your ends will stick out, and if you're anything like me, this would drive you crazy. But no worries, just gently tuck them in until they disappear. And boom, just like that, you have now made your first twist that will form your lock bob. Okay, for educational purposes and for the people who need to see it again, I'll do it one more time. Make sure you are sectioning off your locks with a hair tie so they don't get in the way. Grab 2 neighboring locks and get to twisting. Make sure the roots are tight. Two fingers, fold over, and wrap around the loop. Slide down, then gently secure with a black rubber band. I promise you, it's hella easy. Once you get the hang of it, it becomes super simple. So you're probably wondering, like, Chris, how the hell do I keep this bob looking nice and sleep at the same damn time? Well, one of the keys to maintaining your lock bob is wrapping your locks up at night. This is an important step to prevent lint, like loose roots, and to keep the shape of your bob. By using a silk scarf to wrap your locks up, you can protect them from any like rubbing or pulling that can happen while you're sleeping, and we definitely don't want that. So if you want to make sure that your lock bob stays on point, don't forget to wrap your locks up at night. With proper care, a lock bob can last up to 2 weeks. That's why it's so important to take the time to wrap your locks up at night and to take good care of them throughout the day. Spritz them with rose water to keep them hydrated and oil your scalp as needed. I'm telling you, this is the perfect protective style for your locks. Woo, we put some work in, but we're almost there. So grab your edge brush and tame those edges with the Eco Styling Argan Oil Styling Gel for a flawless finish. It gives great hold with zero flaking. And don't forget to add a little razzle dazzle with some lock jewelry, like this little brass circle right here. And boom! Your classic lock bob is complete.
Okay, I like this. Oh my. I like how I can just go from long to short like that. I'm brunch ready. It's still kind of cold out here, so I gotta put on this puffer. I like how it's like angels and stuff on here. Little angels on my shirt. And I can switch it up. And I'm about to go real 90s style and see if I can make a little different hairstyle with this lock bob with this claw clip. Let's see. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is with the claw clip, guys, with the claw clip. This is so 90s. I love this. I don't know why, it's just, I love it. Oh. I am now addicted to the lock bob. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing. No, this is really, really cute. I will definitely be rocking this style. And don't forget the little jewelry in the front. That's what really give it is like a little spice. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, on how I make my classic lock bob. I really, really hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, whether you are a seasoned lock wearer or new to the game. Always remember, the beauty of locks is that it's versatile and unique, just like each and every one of us. So don't be afraid to experiment, play around, and make this look your own. And to all my fellow black women, my beautiful black women out here, I want you to know that your hair is a crown. You are beautiful, powerful, and worthy, just as you are. So keep shining, keep thriving, and keep setting this world ablaze in your own special way. Until next time, Love you guys very much. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment on the hairstyle. You know, all that good stuff. Okay, guys, I see you later. Bye.